Okay, final thing we're going to look at today is page 44. So this is now putting it together, merging it with Pythagoras. There's a nice flow diagram here to help us work out what we have to use. So if there are no angles involved whatsoever, i.e. you can't work out any of the angles, apart from that you know that it's a right angle, we're going to be using Pythagoras. Okay, that's when you're trying to find a missing side and we don't need to use any angles. Remember, if we're trying to find the hypotenuse, the longest side, we have a plus in the middle of our equation using Pythagoras. If we're trying to find one of the two shorter sides, the opposite or the adjacent, we subtract. If there are angles involved and you need to use them to calculate a side or an angle, we use trigonometry. Now remember, this one's for sin over h, c for cos, a over h, t for tan over a. So there's a 2 here quickly, and we'll go through them. So the first one, calculate the unknown sides or angles. We're trying to calculate an angle, so we automatically know we'll have to use trigonometry. So label the sides as always, opposite, hypotenuse, adjacent. No information on the adjacent, over h. H and O means we know we need to use sine. Okay, so sin theta is over h. So sin theta is 4 over 7.63. Okay, so 4 over 7.63. So book silent. Okay, calculate what that is in your calculator. I have is 0.524. So sin theta is 0.524. So theta then inverse sin 0.524 which gives you 31.6 degrees. Okay, second question, find this length L. Okay, don't know any angles apart from the fact this is a right angle. Okay, we need to find this length. There's no angles involved, so we look back at this. Is there an angle involved? No, so we need to use Pythagoras. Okay, don't need to use trigonometry at all in this case. Are we trying to find the longest side, the hypotenuse, or one of the two shorter sides? So we look opposite the right angle, so it's the hypotenuse. So we are trying to find the hypotenuse, which means when we use our Pythagorean equation, we're going to add the two squares. So L squared is the same as 8.93 squared plus 4.02 squared. Okay, so calculate those, add them together, and find the square root for your answer. So 8.93 squared plus 4.02 squared is 95.9053. And put that in your calculator then. Which gives L as 9.75 centimeters. Okay, so this is a mixed exercise, so you could have to use any form of trigonometry or Pythagoras. Okay, so this is page 44 and 45. Okay.